Good morning, children. This is Pushpalata ma'am. Today we are going to learn subject Maths Class 2 Chapter Money. Yesterday we learned subtraction, no children. Today I am going to teach you supermarket, about supermarket topic, children. Bunny and her friends have done some shopping in the market. Help them to add up each of their bills. Okay, children. Who all went to supermarket? Bunny and her friends have done some shopping in the market. Help them to add up each of their bills. Okay, children. Here, what are the things are there in the supermarket is there, children. Here, see, children, you can see cake, children. What is this cake? Cake cost how much, children? 5 rupees 45 paise. Next, chocolate 10 rupees. Here, small chocolate 50 paise. Tea 21 rupees 75 paise. Ice cream 10 rupees 50 paise. Milk rupees 18 rupees. Birthday cap. How much, children? Cap 15 rupees 60 paise. Book, see, children, here is a book 27 rupees 25 paise. Ball and bat 34 rupees 10 paise. Next one, soap 8 rupees 25. Okay, children. Here, come to the first. What you have to do? Bunny and her friends have done some shopping in the market. Help them to add up each of their bills. Okay, children. Here, see, children, first one. Miss Donald Duck bought. Donald Duck bought what, children? Milk, soap. Milk and soap. Okay, children. Milk cost how much, children? 18 rupees. Milk cost how much, children? 18 rupees. Soap cost how much, children? Rupees 8 rupees 20 paise. Total means you have to add, children. Total cost means what you have to do? Milk cost and soap cost, both cost you have to add. You will get total. Miss Donald Duck bought milk and soap. Milk cost 18 rupees. Soap cost 8 rupees 20 paise. Okay, children, addition do, children. Here 18 rupees, 8 rupees 20 paise. 0 plus 0, 0. 0 plus 2, if you add with 0 any number, same number you will get 2, 20 paise. And 8 plus, next 18 rupees, 8. Always add paise and paise, rupees and rupees. Paise with paise, rupees with rupees. Here 18 rupees plus 8 rupees. 8 in the mind, 8 in the hand. 8 after 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. Here 6. 6 you will write, carry on 110. 1 in the mind, 1 in the hand. 1 after 2. 26 rupees. Rupees symbol you have to write here, paise symbol. Rupees 26 rupees and 20 paise. Milk and soap both cost how much, children? 26 rupees 20 paise. Understood, children? Here, Mouse bought softie and cake. Softie cost is 10 rupees 50 paise. Cake cost 5 rupees 45 paise. Total means what you have to do? Addition you have to do. Add, children. 0 plus 5, 5. 0 plus 5. Always if you add any number with 0, you will get same number, 5. Next 5 in the mind, 4 in the hand. 5 after 6, 7, 8, 9, 9 you got. So 9 you will write here. 95 pice. Now add rupees. 10 rupees, 5 rupees. 0 plus 5, 5. 1 you here nothing is there. 1 you have to write here. 15 pice. 10 rupees plus 5 rupees, 15 rupees. So rupees 15 and 95 pice. Cost of soft tea. Soft tea means ice cream. Ice cream and cake cost how much, children? Both cost 15 rupees 95 pice. Now here Chicky bought toffee and chocolates. Toffee cost how much, children? 50 pice. Only 50 pice. 50 pice. Chocolate cost how much, children? 10 rupees. So you have to add toffee plus chocolate cost how much? Total cost. So 0 plus 0, 0. 5 plus 0, 5. 50 pice. Here 0 plus 0, 0. 0 plus 1, 1. 10 rupees 50 pice. Toffee and chocolate cost how much, children? 10 rupees 50 pice. Here see Miss Donald Duck bought milk and soap. Milk and soap total cost 26 rupees 20 pice. Mouse bought softy and cake. Softy and cake both cost how much? 15 rupees 95 pice. Like that Chicky bought toffee and chocolate. Toffee and chocolate both cost how much? 10 rupees 50 pice. Understood, children? Okay, children. Here is a small assignment for you. Here Bunny bought basketball and book. Total cost how much? Add and write here answer, children. Pussy bought 18 rupees milk. Tea 21 rupees 74 pice. Tea cost. Total cost you add and write here and write rupees and pice symbol also. Appu bought bat and ball 34 rupees 10 pice. Cap 15 rupees 60 pice. Total cost here write, children. Plus you have to do, children. Addition you have to do. Okay, children. Do this as homework, children. Assignment. We will meet you in next online class.